ये थाना सर स्टैंड को आ जाओ आगे चलो चलो वापस आगे आगे तक आ जाओ बैठ जाओ आराम से बैठो आराम से बैठो ओके
One, two, three, start.
Yesterday around 1:30 p.m. that is on 9th July, 21st Battalion of ITBP launched a long-range patrolling in the border areas in subsector of the Eastern Ladakh. The general area is Chismule, Narbula, Zakle and Zakla to check infiltration as well as smuggling, as this is summer and activities are heightened around this season. Also, we got some inputs of smuggling in the area of Sri Gaple in Ladakh. So the team headed by Sri Deepak Bhatt, Deputy Commandant GD, consisting of 3 SOs and 17 others, were launched. During the patrolling, on reaching the area of Sirigapalli, that is 1 kilometer away from the IB, at around 1:30 p.m., the party came across 2 suspicious persons with mules. When they tried to chase them, they ran, and so the party, our patrolling party, also chased them and took them into custody. And on being suspicious in nature, they went to the camp where they pitched their tents. During the search, they came across many things, but these 2 persons initially they said they are collecting medicinal plants, but our team, after taking into consideration their suspicions, they searched the tents and seized several items, suspected items, and after that the federal party left for our tactical headquarters at Koyul and reported the matter to the CO of 21st Battalion, Ajay Nirmalkar is here. The matter was reported to the higher headquarters also, and further investigation and action is in progress along with our sister organizations. This patrol was planned by our sector Srinagar with the approval of the frontier here, and several other patrol party were also simultaneously launched because of this kind of inputs. Now the seized items during the search included, that is on display here also. I'll just read out 108 numbers of gold bars. One gold bar is approximately 1 kg, slightly more than 1 kg. So 108 bars means 108 kg of gold. They have all been weighed also, and we have checked it out. The actual weight is actually even more than 108 kgs, slightly more than that, some grams. We also seized 2 mobile phones, 1 binocular, some Chinese food items like cake, milk, 2 cans, milk lassi, some knives, 2 knives, as mentioned earlier, 2 ponies also, and then torch, hammer, nose plier, and the 2 persons so far have been identified as Tenzin Targi, he is around age 40 years, father's name is Shafel Wangdur, the other one is Chering Chamba, approximately age 68-69, the father's name is Nobu Dozi. Both claim that they are from Hanle. They have followed all the formalities, and it may be mentioned that the ITBP is also authorized to carry out search and seizures as mandated by the Minister of Home Affairs, which is also incorporated in our ITBP Act, to exercise the power of customs on the border and to have a check on smuggling activities. The joint interrogation of the 2 persons picked up, along with follow-ups which we have done in coordination with Ladakh Police is going on. Altogether, apart from these two, one more person has been picked up. The interrogation and everything will go on as per law, and we will be handing over these to the customs. The teams are already here, and necessary action, whatever required, will be as per law. That will be taken up by the customs. Thank you. I just want to mention that this is the largest haul of gold, smuggled gold, international gold, in the history of our ITBP, perhaps in the history of the CAPF, and we are immensely happy. And I also congratulate the team, our patrolling party led by Sri Deepak, and the entire team of 21 Battalion, including the CO and the DIG of Srinagar, who have actively monitored and constantly in touch with me, and we continued our supervision till today as of now. Thank you very much.